Oh my God, guys, we got
a live
skateboard
we got
unboxing.
fingerboards. We're at the skate park, by the way.
We're unboxing them.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, let me park comfortably. Yeah, like this. Yeah.
Okay, so first.
Okay. Yep.
First we rip it up.
Yes.
I get blue. Like blue.
You're not keeping any of them, bro. These are for
I know.
Yeah. Okay, here. Wait, let me take that damn sticker off. Goddamn sticker. Toys, bro. This ain't a toy. This is a god.
Come on.
Yo, come here.
What you got?
Wait, I'm filming a video. Okay. Got my friends here. Fingerboard, bro. God. I'm gonna try them at home.
We got Pepsi.
Yo, we got Pepsi?
We got Pepsi.
Yo! Wait, bro, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna try these at home. So we're trying this one first. We found this random ass bench. Yeah, they light up.
It glows.
Definitely would look better in the dark though. And if it wasn't raining. Here in the background. Okay. Okay. Wow. Dude. Okay, let's start grinding. Wait, these are a little city. Damn. Yeah, this one's not the best. Okay. First one. Second. Can you hold it?
It's blue.
Took it out. Here. I'm not that good at fingerboarding. Finally, I did the weird thing. Okay, let's do soccer flip. Fuck. Here we go. Yeah.
I'm holding 2 phones here. Come on. Tomato.
I think that's a strawberry. Oh, speaking of which, this is a apple. Natural apple. Mini fingers. Popular sports. Popular. Is skateboarding even really that much? Wait, is fingerboarding really even a sport? Okay.
No.
Yeah. Last one. It's yellow. Okay. Eating gum.
I'm gonna make a boo-boo. Hold on.
Why is it red? It's literally red. Wait. What the hell?
Yeah, why is it red?
This will look better in the dark.
Rose put in the wrong LED.
Real. Many fingers, bro. I need to research this goddamn company. Also, the grip tape. Where are the boats? Like, hey. Oh man, I gotta clean my board, kinda. Jesus, it's... Broski, what happened?
Loki ICP off the hook. ICP out of context. I hope she can't feel the woody growing in the pants.
Okay. Off bench. Let's go. Whatever. I'm gonna try this in the dark later.